Welcome traders, Patrick from Trading123.net. In this video we're going to talk about the play of the day here with the Trading123 Autotrader. And we're trading crude oil here. 3 contracts, have $1,000 goal. And we start the Autotrader here just before 10 o'clock. We have the falling off the cliff, falling down the mountain look. You know, back in the 80s there was a band called In Excess. They had a song called Kiss the Dirt, Falling Down the Mountain. It was in the lyrics, and every time I see this trade set up, it reminds me of that band that I used to follow back in the 80s, along with Aerosmith and Led Zeppelin and Jay Giles and all the great 80 bands. So the Autotrader gets short here. We hit our first contract. Second contract gets out with 26 ticks. And then the third one here gets stopped out. So we're over halfway to our goal. And then we have what I call the thrust move. A thrust move up after the falling down the mountain look, or falling off the cliff. And the reason why this thrust move happens is because the whole number support of 80, the price action comes down here, and what they do, the people that are swing trading, their stops are right around this 80 mark. So they dip it about 10 ticks below, and you get that accelerated thrust to the upside, kind of like when my buddy took me for a ride in his, what year was that? I think it was his 1989 Corvette, and we went to a hockey game, and he jumped in the car and just hit the gas and burned some rubber, and never liked Corvettes ever since then. So there's your thrust move, acceleration to the upside. We were on our way home and going down a curvy road late at night after the hockey game, and he decided to drive like a fool, lost control of the car. We went in the ditch, barely missed a telephone pole by 5 feet. I was pretty pissed off because I almost got killed or crushed. Got out of the car, kicked his ass, broke 3 ribs, and put him in the frickin' hospital. So that's why I don't like Corvettes. So back to trading. So right around this 80 mark, you got to watch out for these up thrusts and whole numbers, 70, 60, 20, 30, and a lot of times during the day they'll come down and test this, and it later tested it later in the day and did this exact same thing. So you'll find that often. It's a pattern that repeats, and like I say, patterns repeat in trading, and you have your falling off the cliff and thrust move to the upside. We hit our $1,000 goal, and that's our trade of the day with crude oil. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. And I gotta make sure I show the strategy performance here. Let me bring that up. Here we go. Strategy performance. Total net profit 1,002. Commission 27. And all the rest of the numbers there in the figures. Potential profit on a monthly basis, 30,500 on a great short. And another reason why this short worked out is crude went up to what, $83, $84, and you know, went straight up 3-4 days in a row and was due for a pullback. So again, patterns repeat. You learn them, you trade them, and that's how you profit. So the holiday weekend's coming up, so there will be no trades on Friday for us or Monday. Taking a nice long weekend, been in a grind since the new year, and we'll see you next week in the next video.